Hello everyone, my name is Anita, I'm a native Russian speaker and I teach Russian to foreigners. And today I would like to discuss with you the adverbs of place. So they are not obvious in Russian because in English, for example, we have the adverb here, and in Russian we can use тут, здесь and сюда to say here in English. And we have там and туда that both are translated into English as there. So let's discuss the difference of all these adverbs. So first of all, let's discuss the first group that can be translated into English as here. So тут and здесь are here location. So they are synonyms. Тут is a little bit more colloquial, but still I use them equally. So for example, я живу здесь or я живу тут. I live here. And сюда is here direction. For example, иди сюда, come here. So I'm asking about the direction, right? Not about location. And там and туда. So they both are translated into English as there. Там is their location. Он живет там. He lives there. And туда is their direction. For example, он пошел туда. He went there, right? Пошел is from the verb пойти, and it's the verb of motion, so we are speaking about direction. Он пошел туда. He went there. And also, let's discuss which prepositions we can use with these adverbs. So, for example, how would you say in Russian, he was going from there to here for 3 hours? So, он шел if he went on foot, or он ехал if he went by means of transport. And we need from there. So, from is either is or от. And is usually inside out. Я из России, I'm from Russia. And от is about the distance between two objects, two people. So here we use от. So we can say он шел or он ехал оттуда. So from there, right? We need their direction. Because from there. Он ехал or он шел оттуда. And now we need to here. So to is до. До is before and also to, till, until. So до, and we can use до сюда. Again, we need the here direction, right? До сюда. It's a little bit colloquial. Maybe it's better to say до этого места, to this place. From there to this place, до этого места. До requires genitive case. So этого места is genitive case of это место, this place. Or до сюда. I would say до сюда. So он ехал or он шел оттуда до сюда 3 часа, 3 hours. So I guess it was all that I wanted to say to you today and to share. If you have any other questions regarding this topic or any other topics, please let me know in the comments. And I also will leave a small test in the description for you to practice, and also write in the comments your guesses. How would you translate the sentences that I give to you from English to Russian? And also, I want to remind you that I post the videos almost every day. So if you don't want to miss any of them, you can subscribe to my channel. I have a Russian podcast where I speak Russian slowly. I also discuss Russian in foreign media, so you cannot trust blindly foreign films when you hear some Russian speech over there. And also I have some phonetic lessons, how to pronounce different sounds correctly, how to articulate them. And I also discuss Russian grammar in English, like this video. So thank you very much for watching this and other videos. It was Anita with you. Пока-пока!